It's going high.
When's it gonna stop? When's it gonna stop?
She's scared of it. You tried to reach it and she's like, nope, I'm getting away from you. It's gonna hit the ceiling. Grab her. Oh, there she goes.